In this video, I will show you how to open up your Buick Lucerne key fob to replace the internal battery at home. This is a very easy process and you won't need any special tools to get it done. You'll just want to get a regular flathead screwdriver, just like this one, and one of these CR2032 batteries. You can get these batteries online. I will put a link down in the description so you can get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. So go ahead and check that out if you are interested. Now the first step here is just to look at the bottom where this keyring attaches, and you can see right along the seam in the plastic there's a little space, kind of a slot there. We're going to use our flathead screwdriver to go in to that area, gently push in until it's wedged in there, and then just twist. Twist gently until it just starts to open up. Try to be gentle, don't just go with too much force and twist it, because you will kind of ding up that little space and it'll be difficult to open in the future. So once you get a little space going in there, you can just pull it apart with your fingers, or you can work your way down, twisting until it is nice and loose. And now you can pull it apart very easily. So now we have access to the battery in there. We're just going to slide it out with our thumb, or actually on this one, the little wall there kind of prevents you from sliding it out. So I'm actually going to gently remove this circuit board here. Can get that out. Now we can very easily slide the battery out. Go ahead and dispose of your old battery. Take a new CR2032 battery and make sure you put the positive side with the plus and the text there facing up. So you will slide that in, positive side up. And now on the side that has this little rubber component, it's just actually the front side there, you can just set the circuit board into place with the battery facing up, and now just click the two halves of the device back together and you are done. I hope that was helpful for you. If it was, feel free to let me know down in the comments section, or you can let me know just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, come back to this YouTube channel where we have video tutorials for pretty much every device from every make or model you could think of. And we always make it super simple for you, give you all the information you need. You can also get all of that info and more over at our website, fobbattery.com.